My name's Tony Myers. I'm a group leader for the hand finishing section, and my responsibility is for 15 hand finishers. "10 years. Started in the CNCs, started as a team leader in there, brought in for me team leading skills, grew that, and then 3 years ago I moved into hand finishing department when a place became available. We have probably 6 or 7 major customers, and we're very big into independence as well, and we supply in more or less the whole of the UK with our business, predominantly mainly the south. We're split into 3 shifts. We have 2 lads that work permanent night shift, and out of my 15 people, so that leaves me 13 people, so we have a 6 and a 7 split. We try to run with 7 people on day shift to try and hit our targets of our 30 to 40 kitchens. Most of the lads are doing 2 to 3 kitchens a piece each day. Sometimes it can be a bit more, sometimes it's a little bit less. We call it consignment stock, and it works for us for a great perspective of the cost side of it. We can then budget per month on what we're going to spend on our tooling. So we manage it by a pad in, a pad out, or a tool in or a tool out, or a blade in, whatever it is, and cost it that way through the month. So when the lads have proved to me that they've had the full life out of a set of pads, we'll then give them a new set of pads. But we're given a budget for 12 months of the year, split up obviously so much per month, and it all depends on that sales driven, and that tells them how much we can spend per month on tools. We know fine well that if we ever run out, 24 hours you've given us what we need, but the other thing is there's usually enough there for 15 hand finishers. So if they all decided to take out 1 set of pads, I would have enough to cover. And the added bonus is we pay for it once we've used it. So it works very, very well. From day one, it's been very, very positive. From being introduced to Clayton in my first few weeks and months here, to Jeremiah, who's now taken over the role, both on the end of the phone, on the end of an email, and always willing to come in and help and offer advice where if it's something new in the marketplace.